Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and it's me, Desma. So today, I'm going to make a simple and very easy bakpao at home. Of course, the ingredients all affordable. And this time, I helped by my mom. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay everyone, for the dough ingredients it's 215 grams flour, 1 tbsp instant yeast, 15 grams sugar, 100 grams hot water, 3 grams salt and 15 grams butter. And for the filling I use chocolate chips 116. Let's cooking.
And this in my kitchen,
215 grams flour. Okay, first we mix instant yeast and sugar into a bowl small to dissolve it in hot water. And we wait 5 minutes. For flavoring, use vanilla essence or vanilla. Then add salt. Then stir until mix. Then we add the instant yeast that has been heated earlier into the flour mixture. Stir and knead the dough until it's smooth. Don't forget we must wash don't forget washing your hands. Hi, in dough bakpao, we have to knead the dough until it's really smooth and smooth. Look at this. Smooth and smooth. Nah guys, kalau aduknya sudah halus seperti ini, tuh sudah halus. Okay, if the dough is smooth, then we cover it using a bowl or cloth for 30 minutes.
bye dough.
Well, after 30 minutes we take 1 teaspoon margarine or 15 grams. Stir the dough with margarine or butter until blended. Stir, always stir, keep stir. Okay, next we wait for the dough again for Once it's ready, then we prepare a pan for steaming. Look at the take the message chocolate, and this is the dough and a paper dough. Punch. Take the dough about a tablespoon and then flatten. Right here. This is my hand mom. Take a message chocolate, 1 tbsp. My mom, don't let any dough, because if the dough is opened, just a little wind whistled in. And yeah, it's me.
try to make the dough. Okay, slowly. Okay. And the same for the next. The one by one dough in the pan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. One more. 8. Okay. Let's. Sorry. Okay. 8 down. Close the pan. Put the pan. Turn on the head and wait 3 minutes. Okay guys, after 3 minutes we will take you one by one. Careful. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. Fire? What? Okay. It's okay, no problem.
Kalau mereka pakai blue band tadi teh.
I think cute. Like a bowl. Chocolate melting. Looks delicious. I like.
Gede banget itu hancur itu.
I hope I can make better. Yes, I can make better.
Nah, itu ambilin aja dulu.
Mau dijual?
Iya ini mama tahu di sana.
Bukan buat kita.
Ya ini kan baru teh kayak gitu kesiniin.
Oh.
Itu dia. Ini. Ini jangan video ini yang ini nah. Video ini dulu tuh.
Udah.
Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you on next video.